Okay, for the part B of BMQ4, as again, we key into the GC and we check for our window. So we need it to be at 0 and high. Okay, so pi is there, and we graph it, and let's put it to zoom standard. Oh dear, I change the window again. Notice it has automatically gone back, which is actually a bit annoying. Okay, excellent. So this is what we need to see, and we copy it over. So the key points that you need to note here is the coordinates of this point here, the coordinates of this point, last point, and the first point. Of course, you have to label it. So let's find a convenient place to label. Okay. So the easiest way out is actually to ask the GC to do it for you. If you're interested in all those points, or ask them to calculate, for example, the zeros. Oh dear, can't. Let's trace them. When t equals to 0 is c, x equals to 0 and y equals to 1. So that's one point here. You know that this is 1 when x is 0. And the other case when y equals to 1. Let's move along. Say when t okay, that's the other end. You notice that x equals to 2 pi, exactly twice, and y equals to 1. Okay. So this one is 2 pi. Also interested in a few more points. For example, this point in the middle, it should be quite obvious that it's actually directly in the center of 0 and x equals to 2 pi. So the center one is actually x equals to pi, which means y equals to -1. And the other 2 points are when y equals to 0. When y equals to 0, that means this happens, and that tells you that 2t is cosine inverse 0. Cosine inverse 0 is the first 2 points where it occurs at any rate are at pi over 2 or 3 pi over 2. So t values are pi over 4 or 3 pi over 4, which are still within the range of 0 to pi. And for these two values, my x values would be (1 plus pi over 2) or minus 1 minus pi over 2 sine sorry, let me calculate that again. Okay, I actually got a bit lost here and I realized I calculated something entirely wrongly. Notice that I was working with pi over 4, 0, and then my next value should have been 3 pi over 4, but for some strange reason I used negative pi over 4. So I have x equals to 3 pi over 2 plus sine 3 pi over 2. This should give me 3 pi over 2 minus 1. Okay. Yep. So now the question is, which is bigger really? Whether this, which is actually approximately equals to 2.57, or the other one, 3 pi over 2 divided by 2 minus 1 is bigger, 2.7. Okay, after some calculation it becomes obvious, and so we can label them all. And the other one is okay, so we are done.